But usually this time so many people here. Now don't have. This time now 6:30, but not so many people. Okay, we go inside. Friday, walking street, not so many people. What you want, Shaira? You already order? Choco? Hot choco?
No. Ice.
Ice. What ice in Tagalog? Ice.
Yellow.
Ice is yellow. Yellow ice, Shaira. All know her. No, maybe she know your YouTube channel. That's why she say hi, Shaira. Okay. Many people know you, Shaira. Even me. Okay, see it. Okay.
Maganda ganyan tapos
Thank you for watching.
How you doing? What's happening with Coronado? Is that guy going to jail?
No, just waiting, only prosecutor went.
Yeah.
So need only wait. Maybe.
Was your camera damaged personally?
Yeah. It's old camera. I cannot use new camera.
Crazy.
Yeah. So need only wait when prosecutor say we go together. I talk with him, but maybe 1 month more. I don't know.
Hindi. Yung may hawakan.
Where Georgi? Georgi already go home maybe. Maybe he already in call. Yes.
Subscriber.
Subscriber? Thank you. Many subscriber today we seen. Shaira, better not walk in the side of the road, better here. It's not safety, you know.
It's okay.
What it's okay, not okay. Better here.
That's why I not walk here because the road is not good.
Not good? Ah, okay. Hi.
Kaya, magkano kaya ta? Sino kasama mo? Sino kasama mo? There's a singer.
Singer here in bar?
Yes.
Ah, in Kimchi.
Sometimes we go to another bar.
Sometimes in the bar.
Vlogger.
Thank you.
It's my life, right?
Yes.
I watch it just about every day.
Yes. Thank you for watching.
How are you? Where's
Georgi,
Georgie?
always faster, always
really?
faster. Yes.
Ohio?
From Ohio. It's nice.
Yeah, I was just watching you on the plane coming over. You're just doing walks now, certain areas, right?
Yes, every weekend only.
Yeah.
How many days you here?
I just got here today. I'm going to stay 20 days.
Okay.
What?
And I'm going to Thailand, then to Vietnam, and then to Bali.
Traveling only in Asia. We also going to Thailand soon.
When?
In March?
March.
March, yeah.
We're going, what is it? March 14th, I think. I'm going to go to Phuket.
We going to Bangkok and Pattaya. Phuket.
A couple years ago, I went to Bangkok and Pattaya.
Now you want to try Phuket.
Yeah, it's on the other side.
Phuket little bit high price, little bit. Different.
Different.
Yeah.
You been to Pattaya before?
I've been everywhere. Many places before. Okay, thank you for watching us.
Yep.
And thank you for support us.
Bye.
Bye. Georgi waiting now. Yes. Georgi, subscriber asking, where Georgi? I said, Georgi always so faster. Run to the home. Okay, Shaira, what?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Georgi? Yes. Okay.